Hello, the topic in about to present is the following. Modeling of a solar heterogeneous photocatalytic reactor with TIO2 for the treatment effluents contaminated with pharmaceutical waste. I must clarify that I do not dominate English in its entirety, so I will use a guide to have the best possible pronunciation. Introduction. The treatment of water contaminated with toxic compounds has become a topic of relevant interest in recent years. At this point, research has been directed towards the use of oxidative processes that allow converting or mineralizing recalcitrant pollutants into compounds that are easy to treat and or dispose of. Pharmaceutical wise are pollutants resistant to most conventional biological treatments. Therefore, solar photocatalysis has been one of the processes used for the treatment, obtaining optimal results in terms of the destruction of drugs and metabolites generated in catalytic photodegradation. Research problem. The presence of pharmaceutical compounds in effluents, even in minimal concentration, is an environmental problem. Drugs, due to their biological activity and their recalcitrant nature, tend to accumulate and leak into water sources, causing a great impact of the environment, such as, for example, functional changes in some fish and the proliferation of drug-resistant bacterial strains. Justification. The application of heterogeneous photocatalysis considered one of the most widely applied PAOs on a laboratory scale. For the treatment of drug residues requires knowledge of the factors most affected in the photocatalytic degradation process. As to objectives, general objective, develop a mathematical model that allows the simulation of a solar heterogeneous photocatalytic reactor with titanium dioxide for the treatment of effluents contaminated with acetaminophen with and albendazole residues. Now let's talk about heterogeneous photocatalysis. Figure 4. represents the mechanism formation of the electron hole pair when the TIO2 particles are irradiated with adequate photon energy. This is figure 4. Six flow model SFN. This is figure 5. And where the six main directions of the photon dispersion are shown in the SFN. This is figure 5. Mathematical expressions. This is figure 7. Figure 7 shows a CPC solar photoreactor and direct and reflected solar radiation direction. Finally, we will talk about the procedures to make the equipment, sorry. This is figure 11. Figure 11, main instruction of the CPC type photoreactor. The figure 8 is general outline, and figure B, transversal view. This is figure 12. Figure 12, it is a 6 flows model algorithm. Based on the results presented by this thesis, the following can be concluded. A continuación, les voy a presentar dos videos que sirven para la correcta comprensión del tema. Me di a la tarea de traducirlos para yo también entenderlos y así poder decirles que este sería uno de los videos más adecuados para comprender esta tesis.
Onto titanium dioxide, a strong current of decomposition is generated on the titanium dioxide treated surface. Because of its properties, microorganisms and viruses are continuously decomposed until they become harmless. The effect of photocatalysis is almost perfect. Let's look at how The surface of the titanium dioxide becomes positively charged and takes electrons with moisture in the air. The moisture in the air has lost electrons becomes hydroxyl radical. The hydroxyl radical is often referred to as the detergent of the troposphere because it reacts with many pollutants, even present through cracking, often acting as the first step to their removal. The superoxide anion and hydroxyl radicals undergo power of oxidation destruction, decompose organic compounds such as COVID-19, unwanted bacteria, H1N1, fungus, salmonella, and offensive odors, turning them into substances and disperse them into the atmosphere. This is exactly what happens when using MD99.9 sanitizing wipes.
This is a second video.
TIO2. One way is to coat TIO2 nanoparticles from precursors onto a substrate like glass, where the catalyst can be easily recycled and adapted to different reactors. There are various coating methods based on different precursors and how coating related. TIO2 coating by different methods exhibit different properties, like glass coating, orange, crystallinity, thus affecting photocatalytic performance. The question is, what you are investing in.
Thanks for your attention and sorry for my bad English.
Thanks for your attention and sorry for my bad English. See you later.